Moose Mischief, where we have a fantastic time creating art, making crafts, and conducting science experiments. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this bear mask. Here's what you need: a paper plate, a craft stick, cotton balls, brown paint, scissors, a pencil, watercolor paper, and dark brown and light brown felt. You'll also want to go to my website, moose-mischief.com, and print off the bear template. The first step is to take the bear template and cut it out. Okay, trace it onto the watercolor paper. Then pour the brown paint onto the paper plate. Dip the cotton ball into the brown paint. And then paint your mask. This is a really cool effect because it makes the bear look furry. So that's why we're using a cotton ball instead of a paintbrush. And you just want to dab, just like this. Just dab, dab, dab. See how it looks all fuzzy? Don't be afraid to go outside the lines because you can cut it off later. All right, think he looks pretty good. Okay, so let's set this aside to dry and return to the bear template. Let's cut out the snout. Place it upside down onto the light brown felt and trace it. Go ahead and cut it out. There's the snout. Grab the snout that you cut out earlier, and now we're going to cut out the nose. Let's also cut out the ears. Place the ears onto the light brown felt and trace them. Place the nose onto the dark brown felt and trace it. It might be a little bit hard to see your pencil marks, but they're there. If you want, you can use a marker if that's easier for you. I will cut them out now. Okay, so grab the bear template and poke him in the eye with your pencil. Yay! And then poke him in the other eye. Take the scissors and put it right into the hole you made, and then you're gonna cut out the eyeball. So there's a nice hole. Just follow the circle. And then you'll do the same thing on the other side. Slip your scissors right in there and follow the dots. And now we have an opening for our eyes. Okay, place the template onto the bear mask that you painted earlier. Then trace in the eyeballs. Cut out your mask. Grab your pencil and let's poke holes for the bear's eyes like we did earlier. You have to push kind of hard this time because the watercolor paper is not as thin as the computer paper. Take your scissors and cut out your eyes. Next, we'll glue on the nose, the ears, and the snout. Let's glue on those ears. We gotta make sure our bear can hear. What would we tell our bear? What kind of secrets would we share? All right, that looks pretty good. For the last step, we'll glue on the craft stick. You're just gonna put a little bit of glue on one end of the craft stick. And then you're gonna stick your mask right there. Now you're just gonna wait for it to dry. Okay, let's put the bear mask on the bear. I had so much fun making this bear mask with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, please check out my book, Mischief, A Pancake Surprise. In the book, the moose claims he's the best chef in Alaska. But is that just silly? Buy the book to find out.